here.
Oh, I wasn't in Williams Hall and enjoying the hall with that damn Tammy Lane coming from the damn.
It don't matter. Out here, it don't
I didn't go to CIAA that
out here. It don't matter.
shit right there.
Hey, what is it?
That shit was, yeah. I didn't go to CIAA that Women know.
What you say, Ronald? What you say? What they gonna play?
1, 2, 3, and whatever you feel like.
And what are they?
Paper and scissors.
What are they?
No, play. No, don't talk. Play. She about to murk you off.
Okay. You ready? Okay. Is she ready? Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You can cut her paper. So I won?
She won.
No, you gotta do 3.
Oh, 3? Okay, she won one.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
She got the paper.
So it's one more, right? One more, right?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, tied up. Let's go. Oh, the grudge match. Grudge match. Let's go. Grudge match.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But it's 2. All you gotta do is be.
Championship. Oh, she got you.
So who won? So I lost. Okay, so I got 3.
Take that shot, girl. Take that shot.
Hell, I would have taken it if I did lost.
Karen. I like you, Karen. I just married Karen today. Me and Karen married.
And we had the little freshman in the back seat, and the cop pulled up, and I'm in the driver's seat.
Your name is?
Man, what do you have in your hand? I was like,
Crazy. Your name is?
Kim.
Kim.
You're D. I remember that name.
You said crazy.
Yeah, you're crazy. Kim, no. You're
Crazy
Kim.
lady.
You're D. That's easy. You're
Karen.
Karen Kim D.
Okay, DKK.
DKK.
Whatever it is, KKD. Yeah.
Who's the craziest one? Like, honestly, you? Okay, I'm not surprised.
She was very
Who's the
calm.
most
She was
responsible?
very calm
Who's
right
the most
here.
responsible?
Oh, I thought I thought you was the most responsible.
I mean, I can be.
No, but who's naturally? Who's naturally?
got the grandkids.
Who's naturally? Like, automatically.
Naturally, like who?
Who's what now?
Okay, like me and him, right?
Responsible.
Like me and him, right?
Responsible.
I'm
Who's the most
naturally more responsible,
Naturally.
but
Naturally
I can get to a certain point where he's the more
I
responsible.
think we all are because we're
Well, no, who's more responsible? Me or you? We're like,
responsible.
okay, I'm naturally more responsible. If I get too lit, then he'll take care of me. But I'm naturally more responsible.
I think we
So,
all
so y'all say
are.
who's
I think
naturally?
we all are because we're here.
No, that's what I'm trying to say. Y'all might be responsible for that. No, you're disqualified. Okay. I'm talking about naturally. If y'all
My bad, I'm
y'all
sorry.
natural state, who's automatically takes
Yeah,
this?
it look like that.
For me, if I feel myself going to
God damn.
Players who currently have chapstick with them.
You know the women lose.
I do.
You know the women lose. Niggas ain't got no chapstick. We just thug it out. We drink water. We just stay dehydrated. No, hydrated.
I know y'all got that. Yeah, you know, people always have lip gloss, Carmex, lip balm, whatever you need.
Oh, you looking handsome, D. Your eyes look gay. You looking handsome over there? You already know. Oh, yeah.
She gotta take a smooth sip.
Oh, this the little cheerleader. Little bougie cheerleader. Where the baby at? Baby. What you,
It's the
baby.
bliss bag.
The baby. What you doing with the baby? The baby.
To my old life back. Popping bottles every show night. Married to the money. Being broke, that be my old wife. I ain't going back up to my old life. I ain't going back up to my old life. Stop until we poppin' and you know who